Assalamu alaikum. I am reading a report as appeared in Deccan Chronicle, Chennai. Please listen to it. DMK MLA arrested for issuing threat to Chief Minister Vijay. M. Arulali, DC, Thuthukudi, July 20. Vilathikulam DMK MLA GV Markandeyan was arrested by the Thuthukudi District Crime Branch Police in the early hours of Monday for allegedly making objectionable and threatening remarks against Chief Minister Joseph Vijay during a public meeting. The arrest followed a complaint lodged by Thuthukudi North District TVK Secretary Balasubramanian over a speech the DMK legislator delivered at a public meeting held at Krishnan Koil ground in Koilpatti on July 18. According to the complaint, Mr. Markandeyan allegedly threatened the Chief Minister, stating in Tamil that the DMK MLAs would deal with the Chief Minister when the Assembly session was convened and that his bones would be broken. Acting on the complaint, the Crime Branch Police registered a case against the MLA under Section 351(3) of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita (BNS) for aggravated criminal intimidation involving a threat to cause grievous hurt. Section 352 for international insult with intent to provoke a breach of peace, and Section 353(2) for allegedly making statements intended to promote enmity, hatred, or ill will between different groups. A police team led by District Crime Branch Deputy Superintendent D. Kannan and Vilathikulam DSP Sundrapandian detained Mr. Markandeyan at around 6 a.m. after his morning walk at his Ambal Nagar residence in Vilathikulam. He was subsequently taken to the office of the Superintendent of Police, Thuthukudi, for questioning before being produced before a court. Thank you for your listening.